Okay, so you need to order an LG remote control. You've come to the right place. Just click on the link right below this video, order your LG remote control, and it ships today. Hi, I'm Carrie with ElectronicAdventure.com, where we have over 300,000 remote controls in our warehouse. So whatever kind of remote control you need, whether it's an LG remote or something else, it will ship today or next business day. And the great thing about our remote controls is that they're brand new. They're not used, refurbished, and they're not universal, which means there's no codes to program into them. All you do is put the batteries in and you're ready to go. And when you shop with us, we want you to shop with confidence. So we offer a 30-day, no questions asked return policy. And we also want to save you some money. So when you get to checkout and it asks for the coupon code, enter remote and the number 5 and we'll take $5 off your purchase. So again, you need to order an LG remote control or any kind of remote control. Click on the link right below this video. Order it. It ships today. If you have any questions at all, please call and speak with one of our operators by dialing the 800 number that you see on the screen. Thanks for shopping with us at ElectronicAdventure.com.